कमीशन ने अपनी कंसाइज स्टेटमेंट में भी जमा करवाया है कि वेयर
So we've seen now the two documents. These are the two documents.
अगर मैं एक डॉक्यूमेंट और दिखा दूं इस पे
जी, because he's arguing, जी.
Concise statement of the Election Commission, CMA 5840 of 2024, at page 75.
CMA
CMA 5840 of 2024. At page 75 onwards, the Election Commission in their concise statement have also taken the position that all these independents are no longer independents, they are part of the Sunni Ittihad Council.
Page?
Page 75, sir.
So for the purpose of 63A2, they are parliamentary party.
Part 2.
सर मैं उस हद तक इलेक्शन कमीशन की हद तक तो नहीं जाऊंगा.
वैसे आप क्या कह रहे थे, वो पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी है या नहीं?
They are parliamentary party, and even in those terms, although that question is not here, what the Attorney General is saying is a very different position. He is saying that the election.
But Mr. Attorney General, these documents open perhaps a new chain of thought, because what is the position of the Election Commission to see whether someone is or is not a member of a political party or an independent? That, I think, ends when the assembly takes over, and then it becomes a matter for, because that is really post election, right? Election Commission is only interested with elections.
Sorry, I'm now confused. Earlier you had said a political party with some membership in the National Assembly automatically transforms into...
That's what I'm saying now also.
Without, okay, fine, if somebody wants to issue a notification, do so, but it's meaningless. Because it's the act itself which renders it. So now you're saying something different.
No, I'm not saying, I'm saying that this is what I've read in the papers. I'm not saying that whether it's a constitutionally correct position or not.
Can you get that out of the way, because Faisal Sahab referred to a notification on the record, so we just want to understand कि वो notification कहाँ से आ गई फिर?
वो अपने rebuttal में बता देंगे ये.
नहीं, उन्होंने तो बताया, आपने बताना है.
नहीं, मैं तो देख रहा हूँ clause 2 of 63A के नीचे कि वो क्या हो सकता है, क्या नहीं हो
notification
सकता.
doesn't exist, or what is that notification issued?
आज का status क्या है ना? That's what we're asking you. कि आज का state, are they a parliamentary party or not?
If somebody has notified them as a parliamentary
Somebody
party,
तो नहीं will notify
How
them.
can they? There is no such provision.
the parliamentary party.
Even if there is, would it have any consequence?
देख लेते हैं.
It's like the
No
Supreme,
constitutional
it's like Supreme Court
Why would it not have
notifying you
consequence?
as the Attorney General of Pakistan.
It would have presence in parliament as a parliamentary party. Why is it having no consequence?
No, my submission, your ladyship, is that clause 2, there is a specific requirement under clause 2. What will have to be seen is that whether there was any candidate or nominee of Sunni Ittihad Council who returned on the party ticket, first to constitute that parliamentary party and then the independents joining that parliamentary party. That is how it
Mr.
goes.
Mansoor,
आगे चलें.
एक second ये notification देख लें, so get that out of the way, because that's bothering.
CMA 5944 of 2024.
CMA 5944
of 2024. I'll show your lordship two documents. page 7. 5944 of 2024. This is a document, page 7, sir.
9. इधर निकाल दें. 5944.
5944.
पढ़ लीजिए, please.
Sir. So this is the document of the national. Ji sir. Ji
What's
sir.
the page?
Page 7, my lady.
Take forever to find it, just read it out.
So this is a document of the National Assembly Secretariat. It says the Sunni Ittihad Council has nominated Miss Sartaj Gul, member National Assembly of Pakistan, NA 185, as the parliamentary leader of the SIC Sunni Ittihad Council in the National Assembly with immediate effect.
So this is a business of National Assembly.
मैं अब आपको इलेक्शन कमीशन का भी दिखा रहा हूँ. ये था नेशनल असेंबली सेक्रेटेरिएट ने रिकॉग्नाइज की है. अगर आप सबको मिल गया है पेज 7, तो मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन का भी दिखा देता हूँ.
वो पढ़ दीजिए ना.
जी सर.
किस तारीख का है वो?
जी ये मेरी मेन जो
मिल नहीं रही, just can
सर ये पेज 168 पे है इन द मेन अपील सिविल अपील 333 ऑफ 2024 दिस इज डेट जी सर 168 योर लॉर्डशिप
333 भी देखा हमने।
जी
333
पेज 168
ये पढ़ दें।
जी This is-
पार्टी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में जिन्होंने इंडिपेंडेंट ने ज्वाइन किया वो चीज है ये।
जी 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 25th April 2024 provision of list of independent returned candidates in the National Assembly who joined different political parties and party position. Dear sir, I am directed to refer to your letter number so-and-so dated so-and-so on the captioned subject and to send herewith list of returned candidates in the National Assembly along with their party affiliation and party position as requested. If your lordships turn to the next page, wherever members are given, it gives their affiliation. And if your lordship want the election commission's chart, which specifies how many seats Sunni Ittihad Council has, it is at page 194.
That was the page 194
इसमें आप ऐसे करें जो ऊपर है उसको जरा पढ़ लें
जी
What does
सर
it say?
जी सर जी सर
You see, name, number, serial number, name of returned candidates,
जी।
party affiliation.
जी जी जी
These are party affiliation.
जी 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 और उसके बाद नेशनल असेंबली सेक्रेटेरिएट का मैंने आपको बताया कि they have also recognized one of the members of the Sunni Ittihad Council.
You haven't responded. What does this party affiliation refer to?
ये कमीशन ने अपनी कंसाइज स्टेटमेंट में भी जमा करवाया है कि वेयर
So we've seen now the two documents. These are the two documents.
अगर मैं एक डॉक्यूमेंट और दिखा दूं इस पे
जी, because he's arguing, जी.
concise statement of the election commission CMA 5840 of 2024 at page 75
CMA
CMA 5840 of 2024 at page 75 onwards. The election commission in their concise statement have also taken the position that all these independents are no longer independents, they are part of the Sunni Ittihad Council.
Page?
875 sir.
So for the purpose of 63A2, they are parliamentary party.
Part 2.
सर मैं उस हद तक इलेक्शन कमीशन की हद तक तो नहीं जाऊंगा.
वैसे आप क्या कह रहे चाहते हैं, वो पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी है या नहीं?
They are parliamentary party in even in those terms, although that question is not here,